All right, welcome back to part 3 of me styling my wash and go, which is a part of a 3-part series. If you want to check out part 1, which was me pre-cutting, trimming my hair, or part 2, which was me dyeing my hair, I will leave a card at the top, or I will leave a link down in the description box. So here we are, part 3 of me styling my wash and go. These are some new products that I'm going to be using today. I've never used Curlsmith. I never used this particular Miss Jessie's, but I've used other Miss Jessie's products in the past, so I don't know exactly how they're going to mesh well together, but we're going to find out. So I do have some water because my hair is drying. My hair dries very, very fast, so that's just normal. I'm also going to style with my fingers today. I don't want extreme definition. I want more of a fluffy, carefree look. So that's why I'm gonna go with my hands, and we're just gonna, it's the new beginning. So I'm gonna stop talking and we're just gonna dive into it. Ready? Let's go. Okay guys, so the Curlsmith Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream is a leave-in cream for curly or coily hair. It moisturizes, nourishes, and provides shine. This product is 8 fluid ounces. It's cruelty-free, vegan, no sulfates, parabens, silicones, or mineral oils. This product is great for TWAs, wash and goes, as what I'm doing right now, LOC, LCO methods, braids, twist outs, whatever you want to do with your hair. This product is multi-purpose. Okay, it's non-greasy and it's not crunchy. It's definitely giving leave-in. Now, the pros. The product smells good. It's universal. It's lightweight, but then like heavy at the same time. I love the way it feels. My hair just sopped it all up in a good way, which means my hair is loving the product. Did I mention the smell? I think I mentioned the smell. It smells really good. It's kind of like a light floral, but it's not offensive. It's not obnoxious. It's not showing up before you show up kind of smell. But at the same time, it gives a nice, pleasant smell. So I really do like that. Now, the only con that I found with this product is that it wasn't providing enough slip for my hair. What I did to combat that was constantly add water. Now, it could be a user error on my behalf because I've watched tons of videos from Curlsmith's actual websites and social media pages and YouTube videos of YouTubers using this product. And everyone has said that your hair needs to be sopping wet. It needs to be drenched with water. Your hair needs to be properly moisturized. And my hair was drying out fast, so that's why I continued to add more water. And as I provided more water to my hair, I found that the product was actually smoothing my cuticles. It was being worked in very well. So like I said, although it wasn't providing as much slip as I am normally used to, like as if we were using Shea Moisture's curl smoothie and stuff like that, those ones have a lot of slip, but they also have a lot more oil in it that I can feel. This product is completely the opposite, but it's not bad. I really do enjoy the product, and hands down, so far, I love it. All right, so the second product is the Curlsmith In Shower Style Fixer. This is a styling gel for curly and coily hair. It's a strong hold, it provides high definition, and it combats frizz. Okay, some of the key ingredients is Rose of Jericho, aloe vera juice, apricot kernel, black pepper oil, wild sunflower, and smashed avocado. This gel provides a 10-level extreme hold. Now, I enjoyed this product. Now, I am an eco styler girl, so this is completely on the total opposite end of what I am used to. However, this product felt like a primer for me to use another gel that was like a lot stronger, which is what I ended up doing. This gel had a lot of slip. I still added water because, like I said, I am finding that the Curlsmith products works when you use a lot of water. So I continue to rake the product in, add more water, finger detangle, finger comb, scrunch, twist, everything, whatever I needed to do to get my curls popping. And that's what I did. So far, I'm loving this gel. It's also amazing. Okay, so lastly is Miss Jessie's Honey Curls. This product is for wash and go styling, coils, braids, and twists, natural style, short chops, rod sets, conditioning hold, and defining curls. This is their super definition gel. So far, I really love the gel. I love how the gel is actually a yellow color or a yellowish gold color like honey. The smell, for some reason, I'm not really getting honey. I'm getting more like floral sweet. So, you know, I guess honey, pollen, whatever, but I'm definitely liking the smell. I love the hold. Now the slip is kind of there, but not there really. I'm definitely getting like sticky vibes of gel. So that's going to let me know that I'm going to have the definition that this gel indicates, and I'm going to have that hold that I want so that I can have a wash and go for a couple of days. So far, you guys, all the products are working very well together. There's no clumping. As far as like product clumps, there's no product clumping, which means the products weren't working well together. So I'm really enjoying the products, and I can't wait to see how my hair turns out. So I am done applying all of the styling products in a cream. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair air dry. And then I'll come back. I'll probably come back tomorrow because it's going to take my hair 24 hours to dry because I'm going to air dry. And then we'll, you know, just see. This is my initial take down of reclaiming my curls. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Hopefully my glasses isn't distracting, but yeah, we shall see. I know there's a lot going on right now. I have my mirror right here. Okay, so all right, this is what my hair is looking like. I'm loving it. I'm so loving it. I have my bangs. I have my curtain bangs. I definitely have my bangs. I have some shorter pieces in the back. And I just have to apologize because I know in my last video of me coloring my hair, I feel like my energy was kind of low. I mean, if you could kind of hear in my voice, I sound a little deeper, a little more raspy. I don't know what's going on because I don't feel sick, but at the same time, I sound sick, like I'm nasally or stopped up or something like that. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, this is it. So thank you guys so much for participating in my 3-part series of me reclaiming my curls after being in a protective style for over a month. Like I said, check out the cards or check down in the description box if you wanted to see part 1 and 2. And please feel free to leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already and like this video. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao. That's all I can say. I just like my hair. I love my hair. I love my hair so much. I just feel like we need some classic B-roll footage. Just because, why not?